Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Alright, in this video I am going to show you how to change your wireless key battery. This wireless key is the 2015 Mustangs. I think it's also similar to the 2016 and the 2017. Let's get into it. You have to open this. Most of you noticed this button right here. So you pretty much just push it down, and that should open like a clamp, as you can see the bottom part, and you just lift that up and just put it aside. And inside you will notice probably this is your glove compartment key. For this purpose of video, we're just gonna put it aside at the moment, and you want to open another layer, which is this top layer right here. If you notice, there is a gap like around right here, which is it's a snap-on, so you want to get a penny or a nickel, so you just kind of put it between the gap. As you can see, it's should fit between the gap right here, and you use it as a leverage. You should hear that noise. I don't know if you hear it, but that should just pop right there. See that? That should just pop. That is inside your key, and the battery is actually right below it. So you just want to put that down, this portion down, and that's where the battery is. So, and this point is pretty straightforward. You want to take the battery out. It's using the CR 2025. This is the 2025. So you want to open this one. First one is the sign 2025 is face up. There you go, and then there's where the paper go. And then the second one, this time, oops, take the sticker out. And this time the 2025 sign is face down. At this point, you just put it back. This is where the battery is. See? So you just put it how you find it. You see the two edges right here, the two corner holes right here. You just put it at the end. It should snap in. And you wanna do this gently. I guess it's harder with the camera in front of me. Go. That should snap. Yep, that's back. Now you put your glove compartment key back. When you find it, and put it a cover. Same thing, the edge. Voila, good job. Let's see. Let's just hit the light. Yep, it worked. Alright. Hi guys, thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and share the video. As always, thank you for watching. See ya.